evaluation sa report ni JL. Prevention of overmarketing by using a full inventory model. It ensures that homes are not sold twice to software platforms. So, it stops loan from being sold twice on different platforms sa prevention of overbooking sa
So, ang full inventory model, mura bitaw siya kuan kanang importante kay siya kay ma-ensure bitaw niya nga ang room wala siya na sold twice from different platforms.
Para malikayan ang
Para ma-prevent.
magdubli ang book sa isang room.
Yes.
So next is
Dynamic pricing.
dynamic pricing. It allows hotels to adjust rates across different channels based on demand and supply conditions. So, based on demand and supply conditions, ano siya, hotels can easily change rates across all channels based on demand. So, ang hotel, mag-change na siya o room rates if bitaw ang demand is mausog na po.
Okay.
So next is performance insights. Some system provide data to help hoteliers understand which channels are
Performing best.
So, from aside ka ng Hazel, inside ni mo
Performance insights provide data to help. So ang performance inside some system provide data to help. So gagawin mo siya nag-help siya sa hoteliers to understand kung asa ang channel kanang channel nga best para sa hotels.
Makita din mo it shows data to help hotels see which booking channels are working best.